It was really a great campaign for us. It's not something that we had attempted before. In previous years, we do have a large number of students that end up in that 99% category. So they've gone through our application and have not submitted, they not paid the application fee. And so this year, during one of our free application weeks that we were having on campus that we were offering to students, we did send out a text message to all these students, inviting them to apply, giving them the code to apply, and really not expecting a whole lot of success from that campaign. I mean, we sent it to 800 students, not really knowing what to expect. And in just that 4 to 5 day time frame, we received about 260 applications of students that we did not anticipate them completing their application. And so it was an exciting time. I think that it just showed us the possibilities that we have with texting students and nurturing and nudging them along through the application process. So it's definitely an exciting time for us, and we're excited about doing it again in the future.